My dear professional colleague, today while India is the fifth largest economy and with 700 million strong youth, it is often referred as one of the country with the youngest population of the world. Yet, what is noteworthy is that India faces a significant challenge in bridging the gap between the skills of its workforce and demands of the industry, despite a comprehensive institutional and policy framework for training and skilling. In this context, I would like to say that being a professional course, Chartered Accountancy has always been an avenue for people, as our course curriculum is as such, which not only envisages the needs of the industry, but the practical training embedded in our curriculum prepares an individual for the practical implementation and practices. Today, over 4 lakh chartered accountants are waving the flag of our profession in the sky, and in this regard, your alma mater has always been vocal and proactive for yourself. Having said that, let's give me a quick snapshot of the events that unfolded in past 1 month. Election 2024. A total of 81 candidates contested for 32 Central Council seats across 5 regions, and 158 candidates contested for 64 seats of the Regional Council. It gives me immense pleasure to congratulate all the members who have been elected from the central and regional constituency. It's your dedication and commitment to the cause of the institute that has earned you this gesture. The election saw participation of approximately 1,64,500 members who has voted for shaping the future of accounting profession in India. I commend and compliment the returning officer and secretary of ICAI, Dr. C.A. Jayabatra, and his dedicated team for their exemplary efforts in ensuring the smooth and efficient conduct of the election across the country. As the former President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam said, chartered accountants are partners in nation building. The same has been realized when the ICAI has played a pivotal role in transitioning the books of accounts of our Indian Railway, which is the 4th largest in the world, fully to the accrual system of accounting. This step in itself is a big step to augment the transparency for the upliftment of our economy. The accrual-based financial statement for financial year 22-23 were presented in December 2024 to the Railway, which is a remarkable achievement as a journey which was started from the pilot study of a division has now reached on accrual-based financial statement for entire Indian Railways. Further, we have always put our thrust on the research, as research is the first step for innovation. In this context, at ICAI, we have established a specialized research center at Center of Excellence, Hyderabad, wherein Dr. Nupur Bang, who has wide exposure and experience of 13 long years at ISB Hyderabad, has been appointed as Dean cum Director. Further, on this COE Hyderabad, an advanced flagship 5-day residential program was just launched. The topic was empowering trusted advisor, unlocking the potential of family enterprise. This program, which has just launched, is being attended by 27 members across the country. Chartered accountants as trusted advisors play a unique role in guiding the family business through the complexity of modern business landscape. And this course is thoughtfully designed to equip chartered accountants with the expertise needed to address the distinct challenges of family businesses. My dear colleague, ICAI is a regulatory body and our modus operandi has always been in tandem with the vision and mission of our government. During the month, we had meeting with the newly appointed CNAG, Sri K. Sanjay Murthy ji, Cabinet Secretary, Government of India, Sri T.V. Somnathan ji, Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan ji, wherein matters related to profession were discussed. Moreover, we have also meeting with Honorable Minister of Defence, Sri Rajnath Singh ji, to extend our invitation for our flagship program, World Forum of Accountants, wherein he has accepted to be the chief guest of the program. Further, I had also met with Sri C.A. Arun Kumar Singh ji, Honorable Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, and extended a warm invite to him on behalf of ICAI for ICAI World Forum of Accountants to be held at Yashobhumi, New Delhi. Conferences and seminars are a regular feature of ICAI as it aims to bolster the skilling and upskilling quotient in the professional. And in this regard, I, along with Honorable Justice C. Hari Shankar, High Court of Delhi, President SESTAT, Honorable Justice Dilip Gupta, and Central Council Member C.S. Sushil Kumar Goyal address conclave on indirect tax litigation before tribunal held in New Delhi on December 21st. Further, ICAI Overseas Chapter also conduct conferences with the objective to equip members with recent global trends. In this regard, I addressed 4th Annual Conference at Kuwait, 42nd Annual Conference at Dubai, 16th Annual Conference at Bahrain. All these conferences were a great attempt to give insights to the participant onto the modalities and trends that will shape the future world. World Forum of Accountants, which has been scheduled on 31st January, 1st and 2nd February 2025. It has already attracted distinguished speakers from various spectrum and going to be the largest congregation of accountants, advisors and consultants from across the globe. If you have not registered so far, do register today. The link is given on the screen. CA Journal 2025. Now let me share the contents of the CA Journal January 2025 issue, which delves into the transformative vision of making India a global hub for the accountancy profession. With a focus on innovation, skill development and embracing global best practices, this edition explores how India's accounting community is poised to lead in a dynamic and interconnected financial landscape. Some of the insights in the journal are: India, a global accounting superpower; outsourcing India calling, a summarized toolkit to reap in this benefit; India bridging the world, adding value for global accountancy professionals; future prospects for India as a global leader in accountancy. Last but not the least, colleague, as we step into the new year 2025, I would like to wish each one of you a very happy and prosperous new year. May this year bring a lot of happiness and peace in your lives, and may this year be a year of fulfillment of all your unfulfilled desire and provide you new opportunity of growth and prosperity in every sphere of your lives. Jai Hind, Jai ICAI.
Wofa, Wofa, Wofa. 75 years, a journey so grand, built on trust, legacy stands. With knowledge and vision, we lead the pace. A legacy built with strength and grace. With over 1 million, we stand as one. Our mission and vision never undone. In every field, in every domain, ICAI spirit prevails. We are the leaders, strong and bright, shaping the future, guiding the light. With strength and vision, we lead the way. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, come what may. Welcome to India, welcome to Wofa. Welcome to India, welcome to Wofa. Wofa, 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 Wofa.
Accountability meets innovation for people and planet. Global celebration. From Balance Street to the hopes we keep.
We rise together, our vision is deep. Your signature speaks, integrity shines. A promise to the world, vision that aligns. Together we rise, hand in hand, for a brighter world. We take a stand. We are the leaders, strong and bright, shaping the future, guiding the light. With strength and vision, we lead the way. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, come what may. Welcome to India, welcome to Wofa. Welcome to India, welcome to Wofa. Wofa, 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 Wofa. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India welcomes you to the World Forum of Accountants at Yashobhoomi, New Delhi.